Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use template from Replay in Picsart. So here I've already on my Picsart and I'm going to click on the plus icon first to create. And here you can just scroll down to find the replace template in Picsart. So here is the trending one. You can just choose one of them. For example, I want to choose this one right here. So this is the reply photos. You can just choose the photo that you want to add to the replies. Okay, just scroll down. I'm going to find, okay, for example, I want to just use this ones right here, and I'm going to crop it like this, and then you can just click on next. And the second step is add objects. And I'm going to click on next again. And the step 3 is adding objects again. Click on next. Step 4 is effects, adding effects. Click next. And the last step is adding the last effects, the final effects. Just click on next. And here is the result from the templates from reply before. Okay guys, so that is how you can use the templates from replay. You can just save it after you create it from replay. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.